I know the mailman hate to see me coming. This is just a week of me collecting packages. That one's heavy. Let's get this started. First, Josie Maran. I don't know what this box is. It's literally a cooler with a bunch of little ice cubes. They sent me a bunch of their Vanilla Vibes body butters. I literally smelled this at Sephora the other day and it smells so good. There's a bunch of mini refills, an actual ice cream scoop, and then this little like tub with the body butter again. It smells like berries and cream. All right, next, YSL. You've gotta be kidding me. Girl, you didn't have to do that. We get the YSL Libre. What? Wait, that smells really good. That smells rich. This is good. Damn! I think this has some type of drinks in here because there's no reason why this should be so heavy. A whole lot of Prime. Logan Paul's spoiling me for real. This is an aluminum water bottle, so you can walk around drinking water while everyone thinks you're drinking Prime. And then we have a whole case of strawberry watermelon and a whole case of tropical punch and some electrolyte mixes. I better like these flavors because I have a lot of them. Okay, next, let's do a little one. I've been going too crazy. What are the odds that I get YSL again? Okay, we got 3 of their liquid blushes. Their packaging is literally so gorgeous. I'm in love with it. Next, I already see what this is, so let's rip it up. Yes! We got the entire watermelon glow set again. I can do a whole glow recipe giveaway on its own. They are so generous. Next, we have Bubble. They sent a little briefcase. Watch this. We have their new micellar milk and then an oil, gel, and cream cleanser. This one is so beat up. It says healthy hair inside. We also have healthy hair outside. Next one's from Lee Stafford. I honestly think I like handwritten notes more than the products itself. Yeah, exactly. We have a shampoo massage brush. A full-size shampoo and conditioner, and then an activation treatment mask. Next we have MAC. Ooh, they sent 2 of their new concealers, a brush, and a setting spray. I like how it's like angled so you can like get up in there. Giorgio Armani also sent me some concealers. This is their multi-purpose glow one. I got shade 4, 4.5, and 5.5. Or is it 5.5? Let's see. This is definitely more coverage than I'm used to. Beautiful. Next we have Experiment Beauty. They sent me a barrier support serum and 2 little sheet masks. Okay, from Natix, we have a little vitamin C glow balm, a daily moisturizer, and a turmeric mask. I know turmeric is so good for discoloration and scars, so can't wait to try that. I know you're probably falling asleep how many packages I'm opening, so this is the last one before I make a part 2. Ooh, this is from Skin and Lab. Oh, a tiny little bag. Anti-aging set. This has the retinol lifting cream and an eye serum, and it has like the roller applicator. Hello, is this my new purse? Okay, if you're still awake, go check out part 2. I still have so many packages.